parents, my name is Dr. Marianne Cintron, founder of Step-by-Step Dyslexia Solutions. I've been an educator for 21 years and a classroom teacher for 10. Would you like to know the 12 secrets to help your child read? We have a new opportunity now with parents at home with their children. Those who don't work outside of the home are becoming teachers in their homes. And those who do have additional outside jobs or working from home, working their jobs from home, they have dual jobs. So I want to help you. We have this new opportunity with COVID. So struggling children are not getting that reading intervention that they need. So here are the 12 tips. I'm going to start with number 1 today, and I hope you subscribe so you can listen to the other ones. First of all, your child needs to know their letter names and sounds. We teach children their letter names and sounds using pictures, but I'm going to address second graders who should know their letter names and sounds and perhaps the vowel A. So what you want your child to do is say the letter name C, K. Some will know F, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, U, M, M, N, N, A, A. If you don't know your letter names and sounds yourself, look at my app, Dunking Dyslexia, and exercise 2 says the letter names and sounds. But what I also want to show you in this episode is when you introduce new sounds, for example, ZLE, you want to introduce a key concept picture with the letters. So the student would say ZLE, sizzle, zul. TLE, kettle, toll. FLE, ruffle, full. So this is how we teach letter names and sounds. And as a student learns the original alphabet, those can be put in a pile that they've graduated with so that you can start introducing more complex consonant blends, vowel teams, and I'm going to talk about vowel teams tomorrow. So I hope you subscribe. We have the phonogram cards in a large size, but they're also available in the card size if you work with multiple students. That way you can separate them as students are moving at different levels and when you're working one-on-one with students. But hope you tune in tomorrow and look for step 2 of the 12 secrets, how to help your child read. Bye-bye now.